Hey everybody, this is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity back with another Ruckus mod. This Ruckus mod came to me in the mail actually more than 10 days ago, but I haven't had a chance to put it on yet. Despite the immense heat that's outside today, it was 105, so I wouldn't be surprised if this video comes out on Sunday and I skipped a day because it's just way too hot to do anything in the garage. Also today we also finished putting in the two-post lift, or modding some of the two-post lift to fit in our garage because it was a bit too tall. And that'll be up soon, as well as the welder and the compressor. So once the welder's up, I have plans on setting up, trying to build a rear fender for the Ruckus with the R1 tail fender. I know there's one that's online, but it's like the bracket's like $45. All their other parts are good. I use their Grom front fender, but for some reason that one is super expensive. But here is what we're working with today. It is a R1 tail fender, or tail light for the Ruckus. It is again by JST4SHW. Now, for full disclosure, I did not order this. They sent this to me to try. You know, I already have the LED strip in the back, but, you know, I wanted to review this product, put it on my bike, and see if it's any brighter, because right now the strip is not bright enough for during the day, so I don't know how well this will do. But this is the bracket that goes under the seat, and we'll figure out how that goes in. This is all the hardware that it comes with, which is nice. It comes with all the proper hardware. Looks like Allen wrenches, and these Allen wrenches with these go into the seat. So yeah, that's great. Okay, and then of course, unlike the other ones, this one comes with the R1 tail light. Now, I was informed by the seller that this is a standard one that you could buy online, but he had reinforced it somehow so that they don't burn out from vibration and they last a lot longer than a regular R1 taillight that you would buy, I guess, from Amazon or eBay. So let's go ahead and open this real quick. So there is the tail light, and I believe when you push the brakes it gets brighter, and then when you turn, one side turns yellow and blinks red and yellow, and the other side blinks red and yellow. This fits under the seat, and supposedly it's supposed to work with my seat frame that I have. And then we have the JST4SHW bracket. Usually when you order the taillight kit, you just get a bracket. But this is definitely metal. This isn't going to break anytime soon. So let's go ahead and assemble the light to the... Well, actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and fit it under the seat and see how this is supposed to go on. Okay, let's go check it out. Okay, so here is the seat flipped up, and it looks like it goes like this. Is that correct? Because there's the big giant hole. So this goes here. Or is it here? Oh, there you go. So it fits under the seat. Oh, look how it fits the curve perfect. And then look, it's notched out for the pieces that go here. So I guess you use the three the pointy ones to drill into the plastic here. I guess I will use hand tight on that. And then the taillight mounts here onto this. I like it. So right now I have the bendy piece that's still right here, and this still holds my bell. So I may have to relocate all this stuff. Well, I'm going to go ahead and mount this to the bracket and then see how it looks before I wire it up. See how it looks on the back of the bike. Anyways, let's... Alright, so here it is. The one thing I'll say is there's a lot more LEDs than the strip, and it looks a lot cleaner across the back. So I'm gonna cut the old LED strip, and then you tell me what you like better. Do you like the LED strip, or do you like the R6 taillight? Okay, I'm super surprised as how well it looks behind the seat. And it still retains the way I can open it. I don't know. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments below. It is extremely hot outside right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the wiring when the sun goes down a little bit more in just a minute. And right now. Okay, so here's the test. We're gonna go ahead and test the lights, see if I got the wiring right. On. Oop. There's regular lights. There's brake lights. Here's left turn. Maybe I got it upside down. And right turn. Yeah, I think I got it upside. I think I might have got the light upside down. Did I? Okay, I switched it. So there's running. There's brake. There's left. There's right. Okay, so that's the tail light installed. But I also kind of want to give it a night shot, so let's wait for the sun to set. And then once the sun has set, I'll record a little bit of footage and insert it right here. All right, here's the night shot I promised. Off. On. Left. Right. Brake. Left. Right. Brake, 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 brake. Brake, 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 brake. Off. Okay, well, there goes the final install of the Just for Show Ruckus R6 taillight. Remember, it is a bracket, comes with the light, and then it also comes with all the hardware, and then it also comes with a reinforced R6 taillight. I don't know exactly what that means, but he says that what he does to it makes it last much longer than a standard R6 taillight. I don't know if anyone's out there who has an R6 taillight and it's gone out, or some of the LEDs go wrong or something. But anyways, let me know if you did have a problem with another R6 one. But I have the link below for this particular one, and the way it looks, I think it looked great. Does it look as good as my LED strip? It looks just as good. I guess it's a different style for different folks, but at least I got rid of the zip ties and I have a little bit of a cleaner frame in the back now. But anyways, I'm gonna run for a while and see how I like it. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below. If you guys have a comment that you'd like to say about this, leave a comment below. If you like this type of video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you think that you would like this kind of content, go ahead and give me a subscribe and hit that bell so you can get notified whenever I get a message, whenever I send out a video. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.